In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for Google Chat in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and get you set up. First things first, you need to have the Asana app installed within your Google Chat. So if you haven't already done so, open up Google Chat. You'll find a little plus icon labeled Find Apps over on the left panel. Go ahead and click on that. Then simply search for Asana in the search bar that appears and click Add. Follow the prompts that come up next to connect Asana to your Google account. This process is straightforward, but make sure you're signed in with the same Google account you intend to use. Now that Asana is added, let's link your actual Asana account. Click on Asana from within Google Chat. You'll be prompted to sign into your Asana account, so go ahead and enter your credentials. During this stage, you'll need to grant some necessary permissions to fully integrate Asana with Google Chat. Don't worry, these permissions are standard and ensure that the apps can work together seamlessly, allowing you to manage your tasks efficiently right from Google Chat. With those steps complete, it's time to start using commands to manage your tasks. You can type different commands directly into Google Chat to interact with Asana. For example, if you want to create a new task, type Asana create task name in project name. It's that simple. You can also assign tasks by typing Asana assign task name to user. Need to mark a task as done? Use the command Asana complete task name. To view details about a specific task, just type Asana show task name. This will give you all the information you need about that task right within your chat window. If you want an overview of tasks, use Asana list tasks in project name to see a list of all the tasks within a specific project. Using Asana in a group chat amplifies its collaborative features. You can add Asana to any group chat, making task management a shared effort. To create or assign tasks within the group, simply mention Asana followed by your command. This way everyone in the group will be on the same page, and it's a great way to ensure that everyone's contributions are coordinated and aligned. That wraps up our quick guide on using Asana for Google Chat. You're now equipped to streamline your task management and improve productivity in your daily workflow. Thanks for watching and happy tasking.